Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my house is a complete and utter disaster. For those of you guys who think I have a clean house, that is far from the truth. As you can see, there are a ton of Halloween decorations, Jackson L's toys, and just everything seems to be out of place right now. So I hope you guys enjoy while you follow me around to clean up this entire house. This actually took me a total of 2 days just to get back in order. And please do stick around to the end of this video because I will be giving away details on how to win your own Force of Nature starter kit. So to get started, I always start with the dishes because I feel like that's what I'm using right now and that's what I need the most. So I always begin my day with emptying the dishwasher to then do dishes and fill it right back up again. Sean and I did go a little overboard with buying Halloween decorations for next year, but hey, they were all on clearance and I had my eye on these zombie babies all year, so I was so happy when Sean found them for me. My Princess Elle woke up, so of course she's going to help me clean. I also wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing of the Force of Nature starter kit. It comes with everything you need, which includes the spray bottle, the electrolyzer, and some capsules. If you guys haven't heard of Force of Nature, it is basically an appliance that turns tap water plus a capsule of salt, water, and vinegar into a cleaner, deodorizer, and disinfectant that is as effective as bleach. And I think that is insane because this is an all-natural cleaner that kills 99.9% of germs with no toxic chemicals. This cleaner is great for moms because it is kid and pet friendly, and it also provides no allergens or irritants. To make your multi-purpose cleaner, you just squeeze one of the provided capsules into your tap water and press the power button. It'll already electrolyze your water, and this cleaner will be good for 2 weeks. If you keep the appliance plugged in, it also has a timer in the base that'll tell you when to make a new batch. And I also wanted to mention that I am not sponsored in any way by Force of Nature. However, I am partnering them to do a giveaway. This cleaner is by far the best cleaner I've ever used, and I am so amazed that when I first heard about Force of Nature, I was a little skeptical that the smell would be too strong for me because I really don't like the smell of vinegar. But after using it, I am hooked. I clean absolutely everything with this cleaner. It leaves zero residue behind, and the smell really isn't as strong as you would think. Tell me I am not the only one that has a bunch of stuff piled high in the corner of their master bedroom. I feel like this is my trouble spot. This room always ends up looking like this. And don't forget to spray your Force of Nature cleaner into your diaper pails. It not only deodorizes but also sanitizes the area. Right here, I actually made myself a cup of coffee just to have a little me time. And of course, the entire cup spilled all over the couch. So here I am using my Woolite cleaner to scrub this out. And this is now the next day where I am attempting to do the downstairs again. I know that having a messy downstairs is inevitable with 2 kids, but at least I can make it clean for at least a good hour. While I was cleaning the kitchen, I was trying to keep Jackson busy by having him remove all of his Halloween stickers. And if you guys are ready to win your own Force of Nature starter kit, there are just a few simple contest rules. So first, please do subscribe to me here on YouTube, and then I need you to head over to Instagram where you'll follow me and also Force of Nature. And on my page, there will be a Force of Nature picture, which I would need you to like and then comment what you are most excited to clean with your Force of Nature multi-purpose cleaner. I will also be leaving all of the details in the description box below. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. And until then, I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye!